Okay, here's our brave and daring chef once again. You saw
She said I'm brave and daring. Yeah.
Yeah, you saw the ingredients we had earlier. This is what's left. We have the Smuckers, the pineapple, the sprinkles, and the other sprinkles. The Angel Food
sugar.
Box is open. Oh yeah, there's sugar here too. The Angel Food Box is open. The gelatin box is open. Pretty much what we've done so far, let me show you. In the fridge, we made some, ooh, hold on, hold that. Oh hush. We made some Jello pudding, and it was vanilla, so we added some cocoa powder and turned it into chocolate, which is
It's actually very good.
It is very good. And there's some Jello down there. Ignore everything else in the fridge, please. There's some actual Jello down there. Was it like strawberry raspberry? It's two in one.
Yeah, strawberry raspberry.
So we made that, and what we're going to do is we're going to put it on top of
Can you see it? No, like right here.
this. This is an angel food cake.
Mixed with maple syrup.
Maple syrup,
Almond
and mint, the almond and mint extracts, the yucky stuff that you saw earlier. So all of that's been mixed into an angel food cake mix that only requires, oops, excuse me.
It only required water. But
Yeah, only requires
Libby
water.
never goes for simple.
Yeah, Libby is never simple. She added a whole bunch of other crap.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much what we're in the process of making, and I will record again when the finished product is ready to be put in the fridge and set for, well, technically earlier today, because as you can see right now, it's 1:15 in the morning, and you know, we're not even the slightest bit tired. We're like high on Capri Sun because
With Jesus.
God, don't start with the Jesus shoe. We already scared the hell out of my girlfriend, and then we scared the hell out of her role-playing partner. So can you give me this back now?
No, I like the stick.
Oh, my stick. It's
been.
been in my mouth. You don't
don't
want
care.
it. Okay, that's it. Stick battle with the camera woman.
Your
Stab.
fancy hat.
Yeah, no, they're not gonna see the.
I want the fancy hat.
All right, here, you take the fancy hat. Here, she's got my fancy hat.
Fancy hat.
Oh God, she's got the fancy hat.
Fancy hat.
The fancy hat. Okay, this is going on over 2 minutes now, so
Way too far.
I'm
way
yes.
too long.
Yeah, way too long. So I'm gonna say goodbye.
Toodles.
Libby's gonna say goodbye, and we'll record again later.
I
See
love
yas.
all of you.